10 GoHighLevel dashboards every business owner and manager should be checking daily to actually increase sales. If you're obsessing over sales daily, like a restaurant owner over your Toast POS data every day, just stop. That's not what's going to grow your business. Looking at food costs, labor costs, and daily expenses only tells you what already happened. You can't cut your way to profits. True growth comes from measuring what creates sales, your marketing performance, customer behavior, and your communication efficiency. So here are 10 dashboards inside Go Agency AI you should be checking every day if you really want to increase sales.
Number 1. Main dashboard. Start on your main dashboard inside Go Agency. Here, you'll see how many new customers you're adding every day. You can sort it by day, week, month, or year to compare growth. Are you adding 30 to 60 customers a day because of your ads, or are they coming in from walk-ins and phone calls? Below that, check your Google Business Profile stats. Are calls, website visits, and direction requests increasing compared to last month? You'll also see Facebook ads and Google Ads reports. For deeper insight, open reporting to view campaign-level results, or customize your dashboard in the bottom right corner to track the KPIs that matter most, like appointments or ad return on investment. 2. Reputation overview. This is where you monitor your reviews and your competitors. The built-in AI summary gives you a quick snapshot of customer sentiment. For example, great service, friendly staff, delicious food, fast service, clean restaurant, but some pricing concerns. This tells you instantly what customers love and what you can improve quickly. 3. Call report. This is one of the most underused dashboards. Here you can see how many calls are missed, answered, or sent to voicemail. In one case, a business answered only 13% of its calls. The rest were missed or marked as busy. You can even listen to call recordings to hear how your staff sounds on the phone. That's real data, driving real training and real improvement. 4. Free marketing audit. This report grades your entire online presence, including website performance review consistency, Google Business Profile, Health SEO score, listing accuracy across Apple Maps and over 300 directories. If you're missing traffic here, you're leaving money on the table. 5. Customer acquisition pipeline. This is where sales and retention come together. If you're running ads, the Ads ROI Calculator pulls data from your POS and shows exactly how much revenue your ads generated. For example, one business made $49,000 in 6 months, all tracked inside this dashboard. You'll also see compliments, complaints, and even job applicants. Did your manager follow up with that unhappy guest? You'll know right here. 6. AI reporting. Go to Conversation AI to see how many chats AI handled for you. If AI handled 1,450 messages across 1,200 unique contacts, that's hours of labor you didn't have to pay for. And if you've enabled Voice AI, you'll see similar insights for phone calls. 7. Conversations tab. Even with AI running, you still need to keep an eye on your inbox. Here you'll see how your AI responds to customer questions. For example, if someone asks about jobs, the AI may reply with a careers link. You can give that reply a thumbs up or thumbs down to train it. 8. Activity Center. This shows which team members are actually logging in and working inside the platform. If one employee has logged 28 hours in conversations and another hasn't logged in at all, you've got a training issue. Use this to hold your team accountable and improve response times. 9. Campaign and website performance. Go to Marketing. Email and SMS to review campaign stats like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Then go to Sites, Websites, Stats to see how many unique visitors your website receives, month to month and day to day. This helps you understand whether your advertising and content are actually driving traffic to your site. Not just impressions or clicks, but real visits that can turn into customers. 10. Social reporting and social listening under Marketing. Social Planner, you'll see total posts, likes, followers, impressions, and your top-performing content. With social listening, you can track trending topics and create content that truly connects with your audience.
Final takeaway. If you want to grow your business, reply dashboards, or click the link and get a simple 10-day text and email series explaining each dashboard and how to use it. Stop flying blind. Start measuring the numbers that create momentum. You can't shrink your way to success, but you can analyze your way to unstoppable growth with Go Agency AI.